Hello student, my name is Amit Kumar. So in this lecture, I will discuss about the topic named as simple harmonic motion. What is the simple harmonic motion and what is the displacement equation of simple harmonic motion and what is the acceleration of particle and velocity and force in simple harmonic motion. I will explain one by one. So let us start. Simple harmonic motion. Okay. So before discuss about simple harmonic motion, let us discuss oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. So suppose we have a particle of mass m. When this particle repeat its motion about a fixed point, suppose this is a particle of mass m and this particle, suppose this particle of mass m and this is the fixed point O. Okay, so if a particle repeat its motion to and fro about a fixed point, then its motion is called oscillatory motion. In simple way, we can say that when a particle repeats its motion after a regular interval of time to about a fixed point, to and fro motion, its motion is called oscillatory motion. Okay, so let us proceed. Example of oscillatory motion is a simple pendulum. Suppose that this is a fixed point O, a mass of m attached with a string of length L, then motion, this is a fixed point, the motion of a particle of mass m about a fixed point to and fro about a fixed point, then its motion is called oscillatory motion. Okay, this is the example of oscillatory motion. Okay. Simple harmonic motion is a type of oscillatory motion. Simple harmonic motion is a type of oscillatory motion. It means simple harmonic motion is a special case of oscillatory motion. Okay, so definition of simple harmonic motion is that when a particle repeat its path, its motion about a fixed point, to and fro motion is called simple harmonic motion. Okay, so example of a simple harmonic motion is simple pendulum, as discussed above in a example of oscillatory motion. So a pendulum of mass m attached with a string of length L and making angle theta. Okay, this is a fixed point. Then its motion about a fixed point, to and fro motion, is called simple harmonic motion. Okay, so simple harmonic motion is special type of oscillatory motion. Okay, so let us proceed. Okay, so simple harmonic motion is a projection of a uniform circular motion. It means simple harmonic motion is a projection of uniform circular motion. Let us discuss how we can say that simple harmonic motion is a projection of uniform circular motion. Let us discuss. I write in short way. Oh, sorry. Okay. So, SHM, we write a simple harmonic motion in short way. SHM, simple harmonic motion is projection of uniform circular motion. Okay. Suppose we have a circle with center O, with radii A. Suppose that this is the diameter. Suppose that this is A, this is B, and this is also diameter A dash, and this point is B dash. Suppose. Okay. Suppose initially particle at t equal 0 lies at point A. Okay. When particle motion occurs from A to B, suppose that at time t particle P reach this point. Okay, make angle theta with this axis. Okay, so then let us draw foot of perpendicular on diameter BB dash. Okay, so suppose that foot point on diameter B is N. Okay, so when particle move from A to point P, then foot of perpendicular lies at diameter BB dash. Okay, so initially when particle lies at A, then foot of perpendicular coincide with center O. Okay, when after some time particle reach at point P, and then foot of perpendicular lies on diameter BB dash at foot point N. Okay, so when particle move A to B, the particle reach at point B, then foot of perpendicular coincide with O. Okay, so when after some time particle move B to A dash, then foot of perpendicular reach at point O. Okay, so after some time particle move A dash to B dash, then foot of perpendicular displace in the direction suppose at point C dash C, particle reach at point C, then foot of perpendicular, suppose that N dash. Okay, so after some time particle reach at point B dash, then foot of perpendicular coincide with center O, and after some time particle reach A, then foot of perpendicular coincide with center O. After some time particle reach a point P, then foot of perpendicular coincide with lies at N. Okay, so in this uniform circular motion of particle, we see that foot of during one complete round about a circumference, foot of perpendicular complete one oscillation. It means after a regular interval of time, foot of perpendicular complete oscillation, then we can say that particle motion in uniform circular motion is a simple harmonic motion. Okay, I prove that simple harmonic motion of particle in uniform circular motion is a simple harmonic motion. It means motion of particle in uniform circular motion is simple harmonic motion. Okay, so let us discuss displacement equation of simple harmonic displacement equation of particle in simple harmonic motion. I write simple harmonic motion in short way SHM. Okay, so suppose that we have circle with center O, okay, with radii A. Suppose that in previous case, suppose that this point A, okay, this diameter, suppose that BB dash, as a taken in previous case, okay. So suppose that initially particle it lies at point P. Uh, Suppose that Q point make make angle with this axis phi. Suppose that, okay. Suppose that after some time particle reach this point P point, make angle with Q, OQ line is theta. Okay, so let us draw the theta perpendicular location of particle at P on B dash. Suppose that N. Okay, so this angle is phi and this angle is theta. Suppose that this is along x axis. Suppose that this is along y axis. Okay, so suppose that this displacement y. Okay, so this total angle of particle at point P from OA axis, suppose that will be theta plus phi. Okay, and this angle is theta plus phi, then this angle is also theta plus phi. Okay, so when particle move from Q to P, then make angle theta. This theta equal omega t. Okay, omega is angular velocity and t is the time. Okay, suppose in n p o sin theta plus phi equal O n by O p. Okay, so O n is y, O p is the radius of circle, sin theta plus phi. Okay, then y equal a sin theta plus phi. This is the displacement equation of particle in simple harmonic motion. Y equal a sin theta plus phi. Okay. So till now I discuss a simple definition of simple harmonic motion and solitary motion, and I discussed about simple harmonic motion as a projection of uniform circular motion, and I proved that displacement of a particle in some simple harmonic motion is y equal a sin theta plus phi, and where theta is omega plus omega into t. So y equal a sin omega t plus phi. This is the displacement equation of particle in simple harmonic motion. Okay, so let us discuss definition of particle in simple harmonic motion, such as amplitude, time period, and frequency. Okay, so we have equation of displacement of particle in a SHM y equal a sin omega t plus phi. Okay, so first definition is amplitude. Okay, so during the motion of particle in SHM, maximum displacement of particle about a fixed point, equilibrium point, is known as amplitude of particle. Okay, suppose that in simple pendulum, This is the fixed point O. This is the a string of length L of attached with mass M. Make angle theta with this axis. Then maximum displacement of particle about a fixed point is called amplitude. Okay, let us find the formula of displacement amplitude of particle in a section. Okay, so in equation 1, if we know that value of sin omega t plus phi lies -1 to +1. Okay, it means that value of y lies plus a to minus a. Okay, in this case maximum value of suppose that sin omega t is 1. If I suppose we suppose that sin omega t plus phi equal 1, then y equal a. This is the a is the amplitude of particle in simple harmonic motion. Okay, if we have the displacement equation of simple particle in simple harmonic motion is y equal to sin omega t plus phi, in which a is known as amplitude of particle. Okay, so second is time period. Okay, so during the motion of particle in SHM, time required to complete one oscillation is known as time interval. Okay, so formula for time period t equal 2 pi by omega. Okay, so this is the formula of time period. Okay, so time period is the time required to complete one oscillation in simple harmonic motion is called as time period. Okay, so third is frequency. So number of oscillation in simple harmonic motion in 1 second is called frequency. Okay, of particle. Okay, so number of oscillation in 1 second in a simple harmonic motion is called frequency. The general formula of frequency equal n equal 1 by t. T is the time period of particle in a simple harmonic motion. Okay, so let us find the velocity of particle and acceleration and energy of particle in simple harmonic motion. Okay, so first velocity. Okay, so we have equation y equal a sin omega t plus 3. If we differentiate dy y with respect to time, then we get velocity of particle in simple harmonic motion. Then sin omega t equal differential of sin omega t plus 5 cos omega t plus 5, and omega t, if you differentiate omega t, then out comes omega. So a omega sin cos omega t plus 5. Okay, so v. Okay, so we have this equation. We know that sin square x plus cos square x equal 1. If we find cos omega t plus 5 with help of this equation and this equation, we find that 1 minus y square by a square over under root. Okay, so this put this value in this equation. Okay, so v equal a omega a square minus y square under root from under roots a comes outside, then a is cancelled, so we equal omega a square minus y square. Okay, so all right. We find that we equal omega under root a square minus y square. Case 1. If y equal 0, then we get from this equation v equal a omega. Case 2. If a equal omega, put this value a equal y, then we get v equal 0. Let us discuss meaning of these two cases. Okay. Suppose that we have a simple pendulum with fixed point O, attached mass m attached with string of length m. Okay. So it means that at equilibrium point, displacement of this is the displacement y in this way. Okay, so at equilibrium point, displacement of equilibrium position. Okay, so at equilibrium position, equilibrium point, fixed point, velocity of particle is maximum. Okay, and at maximum displacement means at amplitude. Okay, so when particle occurs displacement maximum, then at this point velocity of particle is 0. Okay, means at this point v equal a omega, and above at maximum displacement velocity of particle is 0. Okay, so this is the meaning of these two cases. Okay, so let us find the acceleration of particle in simple harmonic motion. Acceleration. We have v equal a omega cos omega t plus phi in previous equation. Okay, let us represent v equal with respect to time. Then we get omega square minus sine omega t plus phi. Okay, d by dt equal acceleration of particle. Okay, we know that y equal a sine omega t plus phi. Put this replace this sine omega t y by a, then we get a equal minus this is the small a. Okay, small a omega square y in by a is cancel, a equal minus omega square y. If you multiply of particle mass in both sides, we get this omega square m is denoted as k y. Okay, so f equal minus k into y. It means that during the motion of particle in simple harmonic motion, a force work. These force try to particle come about a fixed equilibrium position. It means that if I in simple pendulum, this is equilibrium position, this is the so let us discuss here. So this is the simple pendulum, this is the fixed point, equilibrium position this, and theta angle of mass m. It means that when particle motion occurs in simple harmonic motion, a force work, negative sign in denote that for this force try to come a particle about a near the equilibrium position. It means during the motion of particle, a force work opposite the motion of particle. Okay, so it meaning of negative sign is that during the motion of particle, if in a simple harmonic motion, a force work opposite to the direction of particle, motion of particle. Okay, so this force is known as restoring force. Okay, restoring force. Restoring force. Okay, so this is the relation of particle and force. Okay, so let us find the energy of particle in simple harmonic motion. Okay, energy. Energy is the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay, so we know that simple formula of kinetic energy 1/2 mv square. Okay, so 1/2 we know that v equal omega a square minus under root a square minus I square, and v equal a omega cos omega t plus phi. We have two equations of velocity of particle in simple harmonic motion. Okay, so let us put v equal omega square a square minus y square. Okay, this is the expression of kinetic energy of particle in simple harmonic motion. Let us calculate the potential energy of particle in simple harmonic motion. Okay, potential energy. Suppose that in simple harmonic motion, a particle of mass in simple pendulum about a fixed point. Suppose that particle occurs a small displacement dy. Okay, dy. Okay, so displacement of particle, small displacement of particle in simple harmonic motion against the restoring force. Some work will be done against opposite to the force. Okay, so this work done is expressed as F into minus dy. Negative sign is that a work done which occurs against the restoring force. Okay, so dw equal minus f into dy. Okay, so we know that y equal a sin omega t plus phi. Okay, dy equal we can differentiate. Okay, we know that in previous case f equal minus ky. I proved that in previous expression during the find application of particle of force. And okay, let us put this value in this equation. Minus ky into dy and dw. Okay, minus minus plus ky dy dw. Okay, let us integrate in both sides. Ky dy 0 to y 0 to w. Initially work done is 0. After some time the work done is w. So w equal k y square by 2. We find that after calculation. Okay, so k, we know that omega is square equal k by m. If we put the value of k here, it means that w equal 1 by 2 m omega square y square. Okay, so during the motion of particle, a restoring force work against the motion of particle, and for this motion of particle, a work will be done. So this work done of particle is restored in the form of potential energy of particle in simple harmonic motion. Okay. So potential energy equal 1 by 2 m omega square y square. Okay, we know that kinetic energy 1 by 2 m v square. Okay, so we know that y equal a sine omega t plus I. So if we put the value of y and v from this equation, after differentiating and from direct, we find that 1 by 2 m omega square a square sine square omega t plus I. Okay, and here 1 by 2 m a square, no, sorry, yes, m v equal a differentiate omega square cos square omega t plus phi. Okay, we put the value of y right here and the value of v. If you differentiate y with respect to time, we get velocity of particle. We put this value, we get this equation. Okay, let us put this equation value of kinetic energy, potential energy in this equation. We get that total energy of particle m omega square a square sine square omega t plus phi plus cos square omega t plus phi. We know that sin square s plus cos square equal 1. This value equal 1. Then E m omega square a square. Okay, this is the constant amplitude. This is w is constant, a is constant. It means that during the motion of particle in simple harmonic motion, total energy of particle is constant. Okay, so this is the total explanation of simple harmonic motion. What is the definition of simple harmonic motion and oscillatory motion, and simple harmonic motion is the projection of uniform circular motion and displacement equation, and acceleration of particle, velocity of particle, and force and energy of particle. I discussed in a clearly manner. So I hope this lecture help you understand the concept of a topic simple harmonic motion. Okay, so